Namaste. In this video we are going to discuss about Naga Mudra. Naga is name after a snake god. So Naga symbolizes shrewdness and potency. So as the name suggests, this mudra will help you become much more shrewd. If you practice this mudra regularly, you will be able to deal with the world much more confidently, and you will always find a way to the solution. If you're someone who is unable to find right solution to the problem, then this mudra is for you. If you get stuck in dilemma a lot, then again this mudra is for you. But you have to have that amount of resolution that you need to find a solution to only this particular problem when you practice this mudra to get a quick solution. This will increase your imagination as well. This will also activate all your 5 elements in the body. We discussed the 5 elements in the earlier video, you can refer to that. Also, if you are someone who is confused all the time, this mudra is especially for you. So to do this mudra, you basically make a plus sign with your two palms, and you place the thumb of your right hand on the palm of your left hand, and then you make again a plus sign with your thumb of your left hand. So this is Naga Mudra. So this is how you do it. Make sure your left hand is at the top, and make sure your right hand is at the bottom, and make sure the plus sign is over there. You will also feel this is like a swastika symbol if you see a three-dimensional view of it. So these two are plus, the palms are making a plus sign, and the fingers are also making thumbs, and the thumbs are also making the plus sign. So this mudra, if you practice it at least for 10 to 20 minutes, will help you get through any problem. So make sure you practice this for set amount of time. Make sure you practice it with mantras for best results.